following the eye, was following the eye, was following the eye.
까마귀
Was following the eye, was following the eye, was following the eye, was following the eye, was following the pack, all swallowed in their coats, with scarves of red tied round their throats to keep their little heads from falling in the snow. And I turned round and there you go, and Michael, you would fall and turn the white snow red as strawberries in summertime. I was following the pack, all swallowed in their coats with.
Well, we've got a little bit of a logistical error. Because we were still pretty close to Seoul, I'd assumed that there would still be taxis and it was labeled as a tourist area. But now it looks like I'm gonna have to hike from the museum, which was closed. Luckily, one of the ladies snuck me in. But yeah, it makes me also worried about how I'm gonna get out of here in the morning. Will I be able to find a taxi? How will I get to Bukhansan, the mountain? Pretty sure we saw it on a bridge. Looks bigger than an 800, so we'll see how this goes. Looks like this walk to the hotel is gonna take me past nightfall, which sucks. I'm not in my full winter gear because it's saved for tomorrow, so this is gonna be a little tough, but oh well, here we go. And I did walk. I walked as far as I could, but then I got to this area with a frozen bridge. There was ice on it. It was a one-way road, and there were cars passing regularly enough on it that I couldn't have made it across safely at all. And I really did not want to go across that thing, so I knocked on the door of a bed and breakfast that was close to me. It was really awkward, but the lady was so sweet. She ended up driving me up to my hotel. I was so grateful. When I got there, it was late, but I went into a nearby restaurant and I actually tried to order the Dunkass, which was on the kids menu, and she refused me. And they brought me out a bunch of other foods, and they were really delicious. Like this raspberry wine was so good. Nope. Oh.
Red tied round their throats to keep their little heads from falling in the snow. And I turn round and there you go, and Michael, you would fall and turn the white snow red as strawberries in summertime. In December, drinking horchata, I'd look psychotic in a balaclava. Winter's cold is too much to handle. Pinch your crabs, the pinch at your sandals.
내려와봐. 못 내려가. 119 불러줘.
In December, drinking horchata, look down your glasses at that aranciata. With lips and teeth to ask how my day went.
The view is beautiful on Bukhansan. I'm gonna put the tripod away until I get to the top though, because I almost slipped a few times. So there's a lot of ice. I'm gonna put it in the bag. See you guys later.
산타클로스
In December, drinking horchata, look down. Here comes a feeling you thought you'd forgotten. Just to sit in sidewalks to walk out. You'd remember drinking horchata. You'd still enjoy it with your foot on Masada. Winter's cold is too much to handle. Pinch your crabs, the pinch at your
And with that, I had crossed Bukhansan from west to east. And so I found a nice little cafe and got myself a peppermint tea and just relaxed before I headed back home.
In December, drinking horchata, I'd look psychotic in a